duit constatu. Nolaig shona ditch. Oh, last minute shopping. You gotta love it. So it's the 22nd and it's a day later than my last Christmas shopping video, which was the 21st when I had to go shopping during the apocalypse and bought a Christmas jumper. So it's fun though. Loaded down with presents and stuff. I kind of lost track of what I have, who I bought for, and what else I need to buy. So it's kind of call it a day. Go home, have some food, and chill. I think that's the plan. I hope everyone else is more prepared for this than I am. The other thing, I'm having my small Christmas birthday party thing tomorrow, so that'll be a bit of fun. Reckon it's just going to be, I'm thinking just going to go to the cinema, get something to eat, and have a couple of drinks, just because quick, cheap, easy, and relaxing. Yeah, very little organising to do too, which always helps, especially when I'm doing it at the last minute again. And my birthday is Christmas Eve as well, so it's nigh on impossible to get people to come. But however, as I said, Nolaig shona ditch, Arish, gur míle mágat, agus slán go fóill.